Have you ever wondered how we measure the range of motion in our joints? It's a fascinating process that involves a blend of science, art, and a bit of geometry. Welcome to the world of goniometry. Goniometry, derived from the Greek words gonia, meaning angle, and metron, meaning measure, is the method by which we can quantify the range of motion of our joints. It is an integral part of physical assessment in various fields of medicine, particularly in rehabilitation settings. The star of this process is a simple yet ingenious device known as a goniometer. This tool, often made of clear plastic, has two arms and a protractor in the middle. It essentially helps in measuring the angle of the joint or the degree of its movement. The goniometer comes in two forms, the short arm and the long arm. While the length of the arms may vary, the purpose remains the same, to measure the range of motion accurately. The procedure for using a goniometer is straightforward. The axis of the goniometer is placed over the joint center. One arm is aligned with the proximal body segment, and the other arm is aligned with the distal body segment. The angle is then read from the goniometer's protractor, giving a precise measurement of the joint's range of motion. The most widely used method of measurement is the neutral zero method, a 0 to 180 degree system. This method is favored for its simplicity and ease of use. It starts at 0 degrees with the joint in a neutral position and measures up to 180 degrees, which represents a joint's maximum possible range of motion. Goniometry plays a critical role in the medical field. It helps clinicians document initial and subsequent ranges of motion, providing quantifiable data to monitor progress or decline. In rehabilitation settings, it ensures the intervention is working by allowing practitioners to measure the range of motion at the initial assessment and subsequent sessions. To minimize errors, the same goniometer should always be used. This consistency reduces the chances of instrumental error, ensuring the reliability of the measurements taken. So, to summarize, goniometry is a scientific method of measuring the range of motion of our joints. A goniometer, available in short and long arm forms, is the primary tool used in this process. The neutral zero method is the most common method applied, and the same goniometer should be used consistently to reduce instrumental error. Goniometry finds extensive use in medicine, particularly in rehabilitation, to document and monitor the range of motion. The next time you see someone flexing their joints, remember, there's a whole science behind understanding the extent of that movement. That's the beauty of goniometry, turning the simple act of movement into a quantifiable science. Until next time, keep moving and keep learning.